The Nintendo Switch 2 is almost here, at least at the time of this video. Recently, I had a chance to show you some screen shields coming to us from amFilm. Well, that same company is now producing a case for your Nintendo Switch 2 under the name amCase. And this is it right here. The nice thing about this is it's slim, it's lightweight, yet it's protective. It comes in at the price of $24.99 at the time of this video, and you can get it with a couple of zipper color accents. So this whole area where my finger's going across comes in black, red, blue, or green. It is a semi-hard shell. You can hear that when I knock. We get a nice sort of gripping point here, so a handle to carry with rubberized grip here, material here. This is all ballistic nylon. On the underside, we've got these molded areas that serve two purposes. One, if it's inside of the case and closed like that, it's going to give you extra stability on a table. But two, as we open it up, it serves as molding points where your Joy-Cons sit to help prevent the Switch 2 from kind of rattling around inside of the case. We also get dual zippers for easy access to open or close from either side. And as we open it up, you're going to find your Switch 2 right inside. Now, as a reminder, if you didn't catch my screen shield video, this is a model Switch 2. It is not operational. It is built to spec based upon what Nintendo has provided. So this is going to fit when the real deal comes out. So just keep that in mind. Right here, we've got those insert points. So your Switch 2 Joy-Cons fit in there and it helps it from, sliding around when it's inside of this case. But we also have these elastic straps that are attached to the case to help keep your Switch 2 in place. On this side, we have this flap. So when it is closed, it's going to go over the screen of your Switch 2. It's very soft. It's very plush. It's padded. It is going to provide an additional layer of protection. On the other side, we have 10 game card slots. And then on the inside, we've got a sort of mesh pouch here. So you can put in maybe Joy-Con straps or, whatever you see fit within reason. And that's really all there is to this case. It's functional, it's lightweight, but it's also protective. It's also weatherproof. So because of this ballistic nylon, it's going to wick off any, let's say, minor raindrops or things like that. But you can be assured that when your Switch 2 is inside of this case, it's going to be well protected and at an affordable price. Hey, if you like the video, do me a favor, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content. And let me know, are you picking up a Switch 2 at launch? And if so, what games are going along with it? Hey, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.